fly away. Guys, look up here quickly. It might fly away. It's a little pearl-spotted owl. They can quite often be quite skittish. You don't very often see them in the open like this. See when he turns the head around, you'll see at the back of the head like another two fake eyes, just so that maybe if some other little predator, maybe a falcon or a hawk or something that might be hunting this guy, sort of seems that the owl has got eyes both sides of his head. Sort of like your mum used to have eyes in the back of her head. See what you're doing even if she's not looking. Oh, stunning.